Cost of the machine. W bought a new printing machine. The cost of the machine was $120,000. The installation costs were $7,500, and the employees received training on how to use the machine at a cost of $1,000. Before using the machine to print customers' orders, a test was undertaken, and the paper and ink cost $1,500. What should be the cost of the machine in the company's statement of financial position? Cost of machine $120,000. Installation $7,500. Testing $1,500. Total $129,000.